What if I told you that the bottle sitting in your fridge right now, the one you were about to throw away, could bring your dead, faded, oxidized car paint back to life in under 10 minutes? Not some $300 ceramic coating, not a $150 detailing package, not the overpriced nano restoration fluid they sell at dealerships. Something you already have, something that costs nothing because you were going to dump it down the drain anyway. Auto detailers have known about this since 1992. They buried it. They paid people to bury it. And today, you are going to find out exactly why and exactly how to do it yourself. I've been sitting on this for months. I wasn't sure I should share it, but after seeing a dealership quote someone $480 to restore paint that I fixed in a parking lot with a $1 ingredient, I'm done staying quiet. Watch this until the very end. Because the last tip I share will genuinely shock you. It shocked me the first time I saw it work. Your car's paint doesn't just fade, it dies slowly. Every single day the sun is hammering UV radiation into your clear coat. Every rain shower is depositing acid. Every car wash is adding micro scratches. And then one morning you walk outside and your car looks gray, chalky, dead, like the color got sucked right out of it. You know exactly what I'm talking about. That horrible, oxidized, hazy, flat look that makes a 10-year-old car look 30 years old. And what do most people do? They go to a detailer. Or worse, they go to the dealership, and you know what happens there. They look at your car for 45 seconds and they hand you a quote. $200 for a paint correction, $350 for a full restoration detail, $480 for a ceramic coating application. One guy I know paid $620 at a dealership in Texas to restore his faded hood and trunk. $620. They buffed it, sprayed something on it, handed him back his keys. It took them 40 minutes. Do the math on that hourly rate. These are billion-dollar industries built entirely on you not knowing something incredibly simple. The average American spends $280 a year on car detailing and paint maintenance products alone. Shampoos, waxes, clay bars, polishes, sealants, products that work for 6 weeks, then need to be reapplied, products that create dependency, and they sell it to you with beautiful packaging and words like hydrophobic and nanoceramic and molecular bonding. You spend the money, the paint fades again, you spend more money. That cycle is intentional. It was designed that way. And in about 4 minutes, you're going to see the crack in that system. Here is something they never told you. Back in 1992, a group of independent automotive researchers, not working for any corporation, not funded by any chemical company, published a small circulation technical paper. It was not in any mainstream magazine. It was not covered by any automotive press, because within 18 months of that paper circulating, 3 of the largest detailing product manufacturers in North America had quietly absorbed or discredited every researcher involved. The paper documented something that organic chemists had actually understood since the 1940s. Lactic acid, specifically the natural lactic acid that forms in spoiled dairy, has an extraordinary interaction with oxidized automotive clear coat. The molecules are the exact right size. The acidity level sits in a narrow band between 3.5 and 4.2 pH. That is aggressive enough to dissolve surface oxidation, but gentle enough to leave the underlying clear coat completely intact. In the 1970s, several European car manufacturers actually experimented with lactic acid derivatives in their factory paint processes. The knowledge existed. It was documented. And then the detailing product industry, a $14 billion global industry, made very sure that knowledge stayed inside academic papers that nobody would ever read. Think about it. If people knew that spoiled milk restored oxidized paint, who would buy the $45 bottle of advanced paint rejuvenator? Who would pay $300 for a detail? They spent enormous resources keeping this information in the dark, not through some dramatic conspiracy, just through the quiet, efficient power of marketing budgets, sponsored content, and paid experts who never once mentioned the cheap alternative. You found this video? That already puts you ahead of 99% of car owners. What I am about to show you is something most detailers genuinely hope you never discover. So here is what is actually happening when paint oxidizes. Your car's clear coat, that transparent protective layer over the actual color, is a polymer. Over time, UV radiation breaks the molecular chains at the surface. Oxygen attacks those broken chains. You get a layer of degraded chalky polymer sitting on top of your good clear coat like a crust. That crust is what makes your paint look dead. Now, that oxidized crust is mildly alkaline, and lactic acid, the natural acid in soured milk, is the perfect neutralizing agent. When lactic acid contacts that oxidized layer, it breaks it down at the molecular level. It dissolves the dead polymer crust without touching the healthy clear coat underneath. It's not abrasive, it doesn't scratch, it doesn't strip wax or sealant from the good paint. It specifically targets the oxidized material. Professional detailers use synthetic versions of this exact chemical reaction. They just charge you $300 for it and call it something like pro-grade oxidation eliminator, the product sitting in their spray bottle, its active ingredient is a manufactured lactic acid compound. You can buy the real, natural version for free, literally free, because it's the milk that already turned in your refrigerator. Or you can buy a half gallon of whole milk for $1.20 and let it sit on your counter for 4 days. That's it. That is the $1 version of the $300 service. The lactic acid content in properly soured whole milk falls naturally into that 3.8 to 4.1 pH range, almost perfectly calibrated for clear coat oxidation removal. Full fat milk works best. The fat molecules act as a mild lubricant and conditioning agent during the process, which is why this method actually leaves the paint slightly moisturized afterward rather than dry the way chemical strippers do. You are going to want to remember that detail. Now let me walk you through exactly how to do this properly, because there are a few things that will make the difference between a good result and an absolutely unbelievable result. First, do this in shade, never in direct sunlight. Lactic acid works best at moderate temperature. If the panel is hot from the sun, the acid evaporates too quickly and you lose the dwell time you need. Park in a garage or wait for a cloudy day. Make sure the panel is cool to the touch. This matters more than most people realize. Second, wash the panel with regular car shampoo and rinse it completely clean. You are not trying to fix anything yet. You are just removing loose dirt and surface contamination, so the lactic acid can make direct contact with the oxidized layer. Dry it fully with a clean microfiber towel. Third, take your soured whole milk and apply it directly to the panel using a clean sponge or folded microfiber cloth. You want a generous, even coating, not dripping, but thoroughly saturated across the surface. Work in sections of about 2 square feet at a time if you're doing a large panel. Apply, then move to the next section. Do not let it dry out. Fourth, once applied, let it sit for 8 to 10 minutes. This is the dwell time. This is when the chemistry is happening. You do not need to scrub. You do not need to agitate it. Just let the lactic acid do the work. You will actually see a slight change in how the surface looks as it works. The chalky haze will begin to look different, slightly more transparent. Fifth, after the dwell time, use a damp microfiber cloth and wipe the panel in straight lines, not circular motions, straight lines with light to medium pressure. You are lifting the dissolved oxidation off the surface. The cloth will pick up a gray or yellowish residue. And that is the dead oxidized clear coat coming off. That is exactly what is supposed to happen. Sixth, rinse the panel thoroughly with clean water and dry it immediately. Look at the paint. You should already see a dramatic difference. If there are areas that still look hazy, you can repeat the process one more time on those specific spots. Do not do more than 2 applications in one session. Seventh, and this is the step most people skip, finish with a thin coat of any standard Carnauba wax, just regular paste wax, nothing fancy. The lactic acid process, while gentle, does slightly open the surface of the clear coat at a microscopic level. The wax seals it, locks in the result, and protects it from reoxidizing quickly. This one step makes the difference between results that last 3 months and results that last 2 to 3 years. The results are not subtle. That is the first thing people are always surprised by. They expect something like a little improvement. What they actually see looks like a completely different car. The color comes back. The depth comes back. That glassy, wet-looking shine that brand new paint has, it comes back. People who have done this on hoods that look chalky white have watched the original deep color reemerge in front of their eyes. One viewer who tried this method on a 2008 silver Honda Accord with severe oxidation across the entire roof and hood messaged me to say it looked, and this is his exact description, like he had just picked it up from a $600 paint job. He spent $1.20 on a carton of whole milk and 4 days waiting for it to sour. Another person used this on a black Toyota Tundra where the cab roof had oxidized so badly it had turned visibly gray. After 2 applications, the black came back so deep and glossy that his neighbor knocked on his door to ask what paint shop he had used. This is happening in driveways across the country from people who found this method. Thousands of car owners have quietly stopped paying detailers for oxidation work entirely. Not because the detailers aren't skilled, some of them genuinely are, but because for surface and moderate oxidation, this $1 method produces results that are honestly comparable to what you'd get paying $150 to $300. The results hold too. With a good wax seal afterward, you're looking at 18 months to 3 years of maintained clarity, depending on your climate and how much sun exposure your car gets. In milder climates with covered parking, people have reported the results holding for even longer. This is not a temporary fix. This is actually restoring the paint. You now know something that detailing shops are genuinely hoping stays underground. Share this with someone who has been quoted hundreds of dollars for paint restoration, because they need to know they have options. If this saved you money, hit that like button. It takes 3 seconds, and it tells the algorithm to show this to more people who are getting overcharged right now. Subscribe, because next week I am exposing something about engine oil change intervals that the quick lube industry has been manipulating for decades. And the real number will make you furious. But before you go, the final tip I promised you, the one that shocked me. If your car has water spots, those white mineral deposits from sprinklers or hard water, add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar to your soured milk before applying it. The combination of lactic acid and acetic acid attacks both oxidation and mineral deposits simultaneously. People who pay $80 for water spot removal treatments are paying for exactly this chemical combination in a fancy bottle. You already have everything you need. Your car deserves better than what they've been selling you. Now go fix it.